Does the aroma of freshly ground roasted coffee energize you? Introducing the Atlantis Brew, a fully automatic new age coffee machine that brews perfection in every cup. It has a stylish, compact design, which makes it ideal for any space. Not just that, the user-friendly touch screen display ensures you have a hassle-free coffee experience every time. The Atlantis Brew is not just another bean-to-cup machine. It also offers the option of making classic filter coffee. It also features dual-option water supply. That's not all. Equipped with user-defined presets, now adjust the amount of coffee, milk and water to your personal preference. Atlantis Brew even remembers your customized settings for a truly personalized experience, so there is no need to program it every time. Isn't that sheer convenience? Wait, there's more to it. The Atlantis Brew can even clean itself with the auto-cleaning function. What else would you expect from a coffee machine? So, wait no more. Switch to the Atlantis Brew today and enjoy the perfect sip of freshly ground roasted coffee.